In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print or export task lists in ClickUp. If you need a physical copy of your tasks, or you want to save them as a file to share, review, or work with outside of ClickUp, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose the one that works best for you. First, open the list view that you want to print or export. This is important because ClickUp will use the task list you currently have on screen. Before moving on, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct list view and that you're looking at the tasks you actually want included. If needed, confirm that your visible columns and task information are set up the way you want. If your goal is to print the task list, the next step is simple. On Windows, press Ctrl and P at the same time. On a Mac, press Command and P. This opens your system's print window, where you can review how the list will be printed. Once the print window appears, choose your printer from the available options and then click Print. At this stage, it's a good idea to quickly check your printer settings, especially if you want to adjust things like orientation or paper destination. After that, go ahead and print your task list. If you'd rather export the list instead of printing it, return to ClickUp and look to the upper right corner of the list view. Click Customize and then select Export. This opens the export options for your current task list. Next, choose the type of data you want to include in the export. You'll typically see options such as visible columns, task names only, or all columns. Visible columns is useful if you only want to export the information currently shown in your list view. Task names only is best for a simple checklist style export. All columns is the better option if you want a more complete file with as much task information as possible. After choosing the data to include, select the file format you want. You can choose CSV or Excel. CSV is a great option for general data use and compatibility with many tools, while Excel is often more convenient if you want to review, sort, or format the list in a spreadsheet right away. Finally, click Download to save the task list to your computer. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it, share it, archive it, or make edits outside of ClickUp as needed. That's all it takes to print or export a task list in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.